last 7 साल से back to back one question is being asked from it. So in all the GS paper, there is a chance that a question can come on women empowerment. Those templates that I have taught 550 plus rankers, including AR1, I will be teaching that in offline mode and online mode. Plus, there will be one-to-one live evaluation cum mentorship after every test. Second course is Nitya Pragati Batch 4. That is a one-to-one mentorship program under my guidance, in which I'll have 40 plus sessions. You'll have a personal mentor who will make plan for you, who will, who you have to be accountable to, and who will track your progress. Along with that, there will be prelims test series, mains test series, current affairs program, and there will be all content that will be provided from our side. Okay? Plus, there will be daily answer writing. Hello everyone. Now that the mains exam are 2 weeks away, and those who are preparing for next year, the mains exam is almost a year away. But these 15 themes will remain most important for those aspirants giving the exam this year and also next year. Because based on the PYQ analysis, there is a very high chance that a question will be asked from these themes this year also and next year also. And if you combine or if you give the weightage of these themes, अगर इस 15 में से 10 themes भी आ गई तो almost 150 marks, almost 100 marks आप एक्स्ट्रा ला सकते हो मेंस एग्जाम में अगर आपने इसको अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर रखा है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट आप इस थीम्स को अगर आप इस बार मेंस दे रहे हैं तो भी, अगर आप नेक्स्ट ईयर दे रहे हैं तो भी, एटलीस्ट प्रिपेयर वेरी गुड नोट्स एंड इंश्योर दैट यू राइट इनफ आंसर्स अराउंड दीज थीम्स. सबसे पहली थीम, कंपैरिजन ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन with the word. 7 times a question has been asked on it. 7 times. ठीक है ना? Last 7 साल से back to back one question is being asked from it, and usually they are comparing the Indian constitution with respect to 3 other countries, France, UK and US. तो इस थीम में अब देखो 2024 में आया था, discuss India as a secular state and compare with the secular principles of India. ठीक है? अब आप देखो, अगर हम बात करें इस थीम के बारे में, सो इस थीम में there are 12 aspects that you need to prepare while preparing this theme. पहला, प्रेसिडेंशियल वीटो दोनों कंट्रीज का, प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन का प्रोसीजर, ठीक है, अमेंडमेंट का प्रोसीजर, पार्लियामेंट एंड पार्लियामेंट्री प्रोसीजर्स, federalism, secularism, CAG, comparison of CAG between India and these countries, fundamental rights, judiciary, electoral process, attorney general, vice president and speaker. तो मोटा मोटा आपके 12 aspects हैं that you need to prepare, where you need to compare India with France, UK, US, Germany, Canada, Australia. I believe that is enough. ठीक है ना? तो प्लीज अगर आप इस बार दे रहे हो, नेक्स्ट ईयर भी दे रहे हो, इस टॉपिक को अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लेना, एंड व्हाइल प्रिपेयरिंग इंश्योर दैट दीज 12 डायमेंशंस आर कवर्ड. नेक्स्ट इज पंचायती राज and urban local bodies. So in last 8 years, 7 times they have asked the question from this. 1 year they asked Panchayati Raj, next year they asked urban local bodies. Right? For example, in 2024, this question was asked, analyze the role of local bodies in providing good governance at local level and bring out the pros and cons of merging the rural local bodies with the urban local bodies. So last year, the question that was asked was on, urban local body. This time they can ask on Panchayat. Next year they can again ask for, urban local bodies. So इस topic में, these are the dimensions that you need to prepare while preparing funds, functionaries, and functions analysis. Successful best practices across India, like Chabi Razawat and many other case studies. Panchayat Pati issue, right? Then the issue of district planning committee, then issues and challenges with respect to all the aspects, again with the data and examples. बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस में आपकी स्टेट लेवल की जो बेस्ट इनिशिएटिव्स है, फॉर एग्जांपल कर्नाटक हैज अ सेपरेट कैडर, केरला हैज सम डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, ठीक है ना. देन सजेशंस बेस्ड ऑन वेरियस कमिटीज, ठीक है ना. सो दीज आर द एस्पेक्ट्स जो दैट यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक, ठीक है ना. थर्ड इज एजुकेशन सेक्टर. So from last 6 years, back to back, they're asking question from this theme, education sector. ठीक है ना. एजुकेशन सेक्टर में you have primary education, secondary education and higher education. So primary education में data on access, learning outcomes, affordability, ठीक है, ASTR survey, ठीक है, steps taken by the government, ठीक है, बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ इंडिया एंड अदर कंट्रीज. फॉर एग्जांपल जापान हैज तोकुताई एंड मेनी अदर प्रिंसिपल्स दैट कैन बी अडॉप्टेड इन इंडिया आल्सो, ठीक है. एंड आल्सो इंटीग्रेट ऑल ऑफ देम विथ न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, ठीक है ना. देन हायर एजुकेशन की बात करें तो इसमें दीज आर द मेजर इश्यूज. जैसे आप देखो लास्ट ईयर दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड, what are the aims and objectives of or aims and objects of recently passed and enforced Public Examination Act 2024, whether university and state education board examination too are covered under this act, ठीक है. अब higher education में these are the important dimensions that you need to prepare. Issue of employability, issue of STEM, skill development issues, ठीक है ना. And we need to integrate all of them with new education policy. Then international best practices, ठीक है. Foreign campus in India, that debate. Issue of research in India, UGC norms जो आए हैं अभी recent, ठीक है. Issue of or autonomy of higher education, ठीक है. Then various committees recommendation, ठीक है. Then online education in India, feasibility and desirability. Medical education issue, desirability issues, cheating in competitive exams, and teacher shortage and teacher training. So mota these are the important dimensions that you need to cover while covering this topic of education. Fourth is health sector. 5 times they have asked in last 7 years. So very high chance that a question will be asked this year also. For example, this question is asked, which is this question was asked this year. In a crucial domain like the public healthcare system, the Indian state should play a vital role to contain the adverse impact of marketization of the system. Suggest some measures through which the state can enhance the reach of public healthcare at the grassroots level. ठीक है. So very high chance it will be asked this year and next year also. So इसमें आपको मेजर फोकस करना है लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस पे, ठीक है. इसमें you have to also focus on non-communicable diseases, ठीक है. You have to focus on communicable diseases, ठीक है. Then health as a legal right, then healthcare through PPP model, various committees recommendation, best practices across the world, mental health issues, child healthcare issues, women health issues, malnutrition, right? SDG goals related to healthcare and India's progress, linkage of healthcare towards realizing demographic dividend, विकसित भारत, ठीक है. देन अगर हम बात करें प्राइमरी हेल्थ की तो डेटा ऑन एक्सेस, क्वालिटी एंड अफोर्डेबिलिटी, इसमें आप NFHS का डेटा डाल सकते हो, ठीक है. नेशनल हेल्थ पॉलिसी, नेशनल डिजिटल हेल्थ मिशन, प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ केयर, आयुष्मान भारत, ठीक है. देन स्टेप्स टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट, ठीक है. बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ इंडिया एंड द वर्ल्ड, ठीक है ना. देन यू कैन ऑल्सो मेंशन, यू कैन ऑल्सो डिस्कस जो हमारे इंपॉर्टेंट, जैसे हमने पोलियो फ्री हुए, टीबी में वी आर डूइंग वेल, सो ऑल दैट थिंग, एड्स में, सो ऑल दैट थिंग्स नीड टू बी देयर, ठीक है. देन मेडिकल एजुकेशन का इशू, ठीक है. देन टर्शरी हेल्थ केयर में डेटा ऑन क्वालिटी, एक्सेसिबिलिटी, टेलीमेडिसिन, ठीक है, थ्रेट ऑफ नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस, ठीक है ना, इंटरनेशनल बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस, ठीक है ना. सो ऑल दीज टॉपिक्स विल बी कवर्ड इन द हेल्थ सेक्टर. Fifth is inclusive growth. Last 6 times they are asking this question every year. Inclusive growth. So very, very important from your UPSC perspective. ठीक है. जैसे this question was asked by the UPSC. Examine the pattern and trend of public expenditure on social services in post-reform period in India. Right. To what extent this has been in consonance with achieving the objective of inclusive growth. तो सबसे पहले what is inclusive growth, that you need to prepare. Link inclusive growth with government flagship schemes for financial inclusion, silver economy, UBI, blue economy, gig economy, fintech sector, green economy. तो ये सारी चीजें कहीं ना कहीं inclusive growth से linked है. So these are the new emerging topics that you can focus upon. Other than that, inclusive growth पे एक normal भी आपको you need to prepare your notes कि how much India has achieved, what are the issues, what are the schemes government has taken, what more can be done. So one is that you prepare the general topic. Second is you also identify the ancillary and connected topics and then prepare that also. Next is food processing. Again, 5 times they have asked in last 8 years. सो फूड प्रोसेसिंग में डेटा की बात कर सकते हो, रीजनल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन की बात कर सकते हो, केस स्टडीज, गुड केस स्टडीज इंडिया एंड द वर्ल्ड, राइट. देन इश्यूज, issues that have been there, suggestions, committee recommendations, right. Importance of food processing to various things, importance of food processing to women empowerment, inclusive growth. So all these things need to be highlighted. Next is PDS and MSP. 6 times in last 8 years they have asked a question on PDS. Last year भी ये question पूछा गया था. Elucidate the importance of buffer stocks for stabilizing agriculture prices in India. What are the challenges associated with storage of buffer stock? So PDS or MSP पे, should MSP be made the legal right? Issues in MSP system, ठीक है ना. प्राइस डेफिशिएंसी पेमेंट वर्सेस द एमएसपी, ठीक है. इश्यूज ऑफ स्टोरेज, बफर स्टॉक मैनेजमेंट, रिफॉर्म्स इन पीडीएस, बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ वेरियस स्टेट्स, छत्तीसगढ़ मॉडल, तमिलनाडु मॉडल, केरला मॉडल, ओडिशा मॉडल, राइट. देन वेरियस committees recommendation, right. So all these things you need to prepare for this topic. Next is women empowerment. 8 times in last 8 years they have asked a question on women empowerment. 8 times in last 8 years. So it's very important that you cover this topic in a very very significant way. ठीक है. तो अब जैसे यहां पे आप क्लास वाइज, अर्बन रूरल, ट्राइबल, कास्ट वाइज, वर्किंग एंड नॉन वर्किंग वुमेन, एज वाइज, रीजन वाइज, effect of globalization on women, effect of urbanization on women, effect of change in family system on women, ठीक है ना. how women empowerment leads to good governance, ठीक है ना. how women empowerment can control population growth in India. So all these things you need to prepare upon in this topic. Similarly, challenges faced by working women in India, role played by women movement in India in various phases, issues faced by women movement in India, how traditions and modernity coexist for women in India, gender disparity in poverty, women in corporates, so glass ceiling and all that, wage gap faced by women, ठीक है ना, equal participation of women in workforce, gender digital divide in India, marital rape, sexual harassment at workplace. all these topics you need to cover, because एक क्वेश्चन पक्का आना है, चाहे 1 में आए, 2 में आए या 3 में आए, बट आना पक्का है. या 4 में भी आ सकता है. So in all the GS paper, there is a chance that a question can come on women empowerment. ठीक है. Next is tribals. So 6 times in last 9 years they've asked a question on tribals. ठीक है ना. Now problems faced by tribals in India. What are the criteria for being recognized as tribal in India? Issues related to PBTG in India. Initiatives taken by the government to empower tribals in India. Condition of tribal women. Also assess the impact of integration approach of the Indian government and denotified tribal problem. ठीक है ना. So all these things need to be there. Next theme is cyber security. 7 times they have asked in last 8 years. 7 times they have asked a question on cyber security in last 8 years. तो इसमें आपको क्या चाहिए? Data of vulnerability of India, Pegasus issues, why India is so vulnerable, national cyber security strategy, then state level initiatives like Cyber Dome, then issue of deepfake, important government initiatives, important global initiatives, right? Then, national cyber security policy, challenges with respect to India, lack of policy, lack of fragmentation, suggestions, right? And some recent developments like different kinds of cyber security issues, cyber terrorism, cyber crime, right? Cyber piracy, right? Cyber hygiene, right? So all these burning issues you need to prepare. ठीक है ना. Next is border management. 5 times they have asked in last 6 years. Last year bhi they have asked this question. India has a long and troubled border with China and Pakistan, fraught with contentious issues. Examine the conflicting issues and security challenges along the border. Also give out development being undertaken in these areas under the border area development program and border infrastructure and management scheme. ठीक है. तो दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड लास्ट ईयर. हर बार एक बार पूछ ही रहे हैं. एक साल छोड़ दो, बाकी एवरी ईयर दे आर आस्किंग, राइट. सो इसमें मेजर इश्यूज क्या है? इलीगल इमिग्रेशन, रोहिंग्या वाला, इंडिया श्रीलंका बॉर्डर, इंडिया नेपाल बॉर्डर, इंडिया भूटान बॉर्डर, इंडिया बांग्लादेश बॉर्डर, यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन बॉर्डर मैनेजमेंट, डेवलपमेंट इन बॉर्डर एरियाज, मैरीटाइम सिक्योरिटी, राइट, piracy incidents and India's anti-piracy activities, drone on merchant vessels, and critical analysis of UAPA and NIA Act. तो ये देखो, ये जो टॉपिक्स हैं ये तो बॉर्डर मैनेजमेंट के हैं. इसके अलावा ये जो टॉपिक्स हैं, दीज आर अदर इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स जो हम पूछ सकते हैं सिक्योरिटी से. ठीक है. तो सिक्योरिटी इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया बिकॉज वेरी फ्यू थीम्स आर देयर एंड एवरी ईयर 50 मार्क्स के वेटेज रहता है सिक्योरिटी का. थीम्स बहुत लिमिटेड है. सो प्लीज प्रिपेयर इट वेल. देन सेकेंड और 12th मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थीम इज डिजास्टर. तो डिजास्टर भी बहुत छोटी थीम है. बहुत कम डिजास्टर्स हैं, सब मिला के 12-13 हैं, राइट. एंड वी नो व्हाट टू राइट. इफ यू हैव अटेंडेड माय टेम्पलेट लेक्चर्स, आई हैव आल्सो टोल्ड यू कि क्या लिखना है अगर कोई भी डिजास्टर पे क्वेश्चन आ जाए. ठीक है ना. सो अर्थक्वेक, सुनामी, हीट वेव्स, फ्लड्स, अर्बन फ्लड्स, ड्राउट्स, लैंडस्लाइड्स, क्राउड मैनेजमेंट, फॉरेस्ट फायर, ऑयल स्पिल्स एंड क्लाउड बस्ट. ठीक है. इसमें आप थोड़ा बहुत जोड़ सकते हैं अभी स्टैम्पिड भी, बिकॉज नाउ दैट स्टैम्पिड इज अ न्यू बर्निंग इशू. बेसिकली इनको देखना है आपको. ठीक है. और आपका क्या हो गया इसके अलावा? रिफ्यूजी क्राइसिस, कम्युनल राइट्स, एयर पोल्यूशन, रोड एक्सीडेंट, इंडस्ट्रियल डिजास्टर, बायोलॉजिकल डिजास्टर और न्यूक्लियर डिजास्टर. सो इतने डिजास्टर्स आपको कवर करने हैं और इन डिजास्टर्स में यू नीड टू सी कि इंडिया की वल्नरेबिलिटी क्या है. यू नीड टू सी कि व्हाट स्टेप्स इंडिया हैज टेकन, एनडीएमए की गाइडलाइंस क्या है. ठीक है. ऑल्सो इंश्योर कि वर्ल्ड ओवर बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस क्या है. सो इफ यू हैव दिस मच इंफॉर्मेशन और प्लस इश्यूज क्या है इंडिया के, ये तो एक कॉमन आप आइडेंटिफाई कर लो एंड दिस विल फिट इन एवरी काइंड ऑफ डिजास्टर. ठीक है. So these are the things that you need to prepare for this. ठीक है. Next is climate change. So in last 7 years, every year they have asked a question on climate change, right? So climate change में जैसे this question was asked by the UPSC, which is explain the purpose of Green Grid initiative launched at World Leaders Summit of the COP26 UN Climate Change Conference in Glasgow in November 2021. When was this idea floated first in the International Solar Alliance? ठीक है ना. तो अब जैसे यहां पे अगेन जो है क्लाइमेट चेंज में these are the important themes that you need to focus upon. Climate change and its impact on agriculture, economy, ocean ecosystem, human, foods and extreme events. Steps taken by India and the world community to counter climate change. Global summits on climate change. Global stocktake text, loss and damage funds. Global renewable and energy efficiency pledge. Global cooling pledge for COP28 and new collective quantified goal for climate finance. So these are the important themes that you need to focus upon in climate change. Similarly, global goal on adaptation, powering past coal alliance, coal transition accelerator, coalition for high ambition multi-level partnership for climate action, global river cities alliance and green credit initiatives. तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट थीम्स जो अभी चल रही हैं विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू क्लाइमेट चेंज. नेक्स्ट इज सस्टेनेबल एग्रीकल्चर. So they have asked the question on 5 out of last 6 years. तो सस्टेनेबल एग्रीकल्चर पे वेटलैंड इंक्रोचमेंट, मैंग्रोव इंक्रोचमेंट, कोरल रीफ डिस्ट्रक्शन, ये भी अगर हम ब्रॉडली कवर करें तो आएगा. दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज यू नीड टू फोकस अपॉन व्हाइल प्रिपेयरिंग सस्टेनेबल एग्रीकल्चर. इन पे अभी तक सवाल नहीं आया है. जीरो बजट नेचुरल फार्मिंग, प्रिसिशन एग्रीकल्चर, सिस्टम फॉर राइस इंटेंसिफिकेशन, sustainable sugarcane initiative, vertical farming. These are the important areas for sustainable agriculture. And lastly, in from ethics, emotional intelligence component of the EI and role of EI in the life of public servant. इस पे भी काफी सवाल आ चुके हैं लास्ट कुछ सालों में. ठीक है. तो these are the most important 15 themes that you need to focus upon. इनका कंबाइंड वेटेज अगर हम करें तो अगर हम एवरेज मान के चलें कि 5-10 मार्क में आएंगे, 5-15 मार्क में, तो 225 मार्क्स, 225 मार्क्स बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं. 225 मार्क्स अगर आप अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लो एंड यू राइट रियली वेल, आउट ऑफ 1000 मार्क्स, इफ यू हैव attempted 225 marks really well, then definitely you are at least 30 marks above the other aspirants. So please do prepare these themes well. Before we end, there is a new batch of our mains test series, first batch in fact, of our mains test series for 2026 has been launched. And in this mains test series, it's not just the mains test series, it is mains test series come mentorship. So इसमें, you know, there will be tests, there will be 20 tests, there will be Write Smart by Dr. Shivin, and there will be 20 answer writing lectures by me. And in those 20 lectures, I guarantee you, I will teach you enough templates which will make answer writing a cakewalk for you. Those templates that I have taught 550 plus rankers, including AR1, I will be teaching that in offline mode and online mode. Plus, there will be one-to-one live evaluation cum mentorship after every test. ठीक है ना? So the first test is on 10th of August. So it's very, near. Second course is Nitya Pragati Batch 4. That is a one-to-one mentorship program under my guidance, in which I'll have 40 plus sessions. You'll have a personal mentor who will make plan for you, who will, who you have to be accountable to, and who will track your progress. Along with that, there will be prelims test series, mains test series, current affairs program, and there will be all content that will be provided from our side. Okay? Plus, there will be daily answer writing. So this program is something that will make you both mains and prelims ready, and the batch is starting from 10th. So this is all from my side, and we'll meet again shortly with the new video. Thank you.